Hello and welcome to Clever Tips with Clever IT. Today we're going to be taking a look at Windows 10 and the task view and virtual desktops. This is a feature that's been available in other operating systems like Mac and Linux for quite a while now, but it is new to the Windows ecosystem. And it's one of those things that I think you're going to find more that power users are going to utilize it. But at the end of the day, it is still something that can be used by everybody and is really quite powerful. So let's take a look. Right now we have three browsers open. We've got Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. All three have our website loaded. Now, in your case, you're not likely to have three browsers open. You're more likely to have a browser open, have your email open, maybe have Skype open, things of that nature. But in this case, we've just, for testing, we have these three browser windows open. Now, the task view isn't something that is relatively new because that's something that's been around for a while. The way that you used to get to that would basically be by holding down the start key and using the tab button. And that would allow you to switch between any kind of open windows. Now there's a button though on the taskbar right next to the search button. Of course, for you, you may have a full width search button. We have turned it into an icon. And in another video, we actually show you how to do that as well. Once you click on the task view, you're going to see it basically sort of zooms out and shows you a live preview of the three or however many different windows that you have open, and it'll try to display them as best as possible. Now again, this is pretty straightforward. Let's say you wanted to go over to Firefox. Well, that's what you could do. You could click here again. Let's say we want to go to Microsoft Edge, and there you go. Now, what is new and very unique for this version of Windows is the virtual desktop capability. What that means is that you can click on this new desktop, which will create a new desktop, and you'll see once you go in there, there's nothing going on. It's like all fresh. You may think things are closed, but in fact they're not. Let's open up the Microsoft Store. If you click on Browser, though, it will take you back to the other virtual desktop, okay? Because that's where you already have that open. At which point, we can click back to Desktop 2, and here we are. So let's open up a different application. Let's go ahead and open up Maps. So right now on this screen, we now have open Maps and Store. Okay. So if we go back to the task view, again, we are going to see the tasks specific to this desktop. If we click back over here, we're brought back over to that desktop. So you have a lot of options here. You can add another desktop. So this allows you to sort of categorize things. So let's say you want to have a personal desktop and then you want to have a work desktop to be able to switch back and forth. You can easily do that. And this brings a new level of functionality to Windows 10, which is very, very exciting, and we're very happy to see it. That's it for this tip. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.